All right, like I said, back out into the dirty river. Should have poured it over there. Just get out, walk along those rocks, and then walk up through there. I hate telling you what to do, but you're learning. I guess that's why getting your feet wet is synonymous with gaining experience.